Hi, today's lesson is just helping you with how to complete your work on Google Classroom. So when you go to Google Classroom, you should have a set of classes. So here's my classes today. And each one at the top, you can see if there's any work that's due. And this is work with deadlines. So you can see I've got in this Google class test, I've got 3 assignments that are due upcoming. Also, if you know that you've maybe got a little bit behind and you've missed work, you can click on the to-do list and it will show you the work you've got coming up, the work you've missed, so that you can see that there's work that I've missed in different classes. So if you know you've missed work, it's worth having a little look there. Okay. Also, sometimes work's set without a due date, and that might be an ongoing piece of coursework or something. So just have a little look through there. So your to-do list will help you find all the work. The third way you can find your work is to go back to your classes and to go into each one and click on class work, and that will tell you right there what work you've got currently. So you can see there's quite a few assignments, and don't forget these view more, which to condense them, they're sometimes condensed down. So just keep an eye on that and they will show you what assignments you've got currently to do. Okay, so once you have picked what assignment you're going to do, you can click on your assignment and you can see up here you can attach things. So this assignment asks me to write out 5 things. So I'm going to add a Google Doc here and I am going to write my answers straight into this Google Doc. So once I've got my work ready to upload, I just go back to my lesson there and I just click hand in, and my work, it'll ask me one attachment will be submitted and I hand in. You'll notice that you don't need to press save with Google Docs, it will automatically save. So I can come straight off that window and I can hand that in. If I've maybe made a mistake, I can unsubmit and then I can make any changes that I wish to. Okay, once I've made, just click on the document again and you'll see the document that we've left off. And I can edit it. Don't need to save it, automatically saves, and just press hand in. And off that'll go to my teacher for assessment. If I've got any questions, I can add them in here in the private comments to my teachers. Okay, and again, that will be sent directly to your teacher's email so they can come to you and help you. Okay, so once you've done that, just go back to your classes and you'll see that that's gone, and complete the next piece of work. Okay? If you think this video is helpful, give it a like. Let me know if there's any more videos I can help you with. Thanks!